Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, any special day to give a gift. Today I am sharing how to use this adorable mailbox from Target Dollar Spot and my Cricut to gift the most adorable gift of red Aspen nails using nails from Hello Cute Nails and printables by Spot of Tea Designs. Hi friends, Laura here over at Hello Cute Crafts, and today we're going to make this adorable nail mail kit to give a gift of nails for Valentine's, Galentine's, or any other special occasion. So let's get started. What we'll need today is your Cricut Joy, a mat, weeding tool, a scraper, some vinyl. Today I'm going to use black and white. You'll also need your transfer tape. I am going to use printables by my friend Tara over at Spot of Tea Designs, and I will link the printable for you in the description. Some confetti, ribbon, scissors, a pair of nails. I get these from Hello Cute Nails, and that is also in the description. And then today I'm going to use my iPad. You can certainly use your phone for the Cricut Joy, your computer or laptop. So let's get started. Okay, so I have opened up my design space on the iPad, and I have already created this design nail mail. It is saved in the Cricut design space. So I'm going to go ahead and make it. And today I'm going to use it on the mat. And there's going to be two cuts. So the first one is going to be the nail mail. And I am going to make today a white heart with black lettering. So I'm going to put the black vinyl on the mat. So we're going to hit next. I'm going to hit, the material is going to be vinyl. And this is premium vinyl. As you can see, the light is blinking on the Joy, so that means it's ready. Just want to make sure you could see it. Okay, and then I'm going to match up the vinyl on the mat as shown on the screen so that we get it on there correctly. Just as so. So we're going to stick that in the machine. It's loading. Make sure it's on there with no wrinkles. And so now we are going to hit go and let it cut. Okay, so we are good to go. We're going to unload it. We're going to take it off of the mat. And now it is prompting us to make the heart. So I'm going to do the step once again. I'm going to put white on. So now we're going to put on our next vinyl. And this will be for the heart. The screen shows it as pink, but I'm going to use white vinyl. The screen is just for viewing purposes. You can change it if you'd like. Okay, we have our vinyl on there, and we're going to set our material again to premium vinyl. And we're going to hit load the mat. Just make sure it's stuck on there. Okay, and we're going to hit go. Okay, so now is the fun part that I enjoy, especially if you've been watching my videos. This is my favorite part. So I'm going to save my scraps. I can probably use these for another project. I'll set those aside, and then we're going to weed. So we're going to use our weeding tool, and we're going to take off the excess vinyl that we're not going to be applying to the mailbox. And we have our heart. We're going to do the same with our nail mail. We have excess, so we'll save those scraps. We're going to weed out this will be fun because the letters are fairly small and thin, which sometimes could be hit or miss. Okay, there's my dot. A trick that I usually do that I did not today, what I was sharing, was to cut out extra dots for your eyes in case they decide to take a stroll elsewhere. There you go. We'll take out the interiors of the A's. And we have our nail mail. So I'm going to apply that to the heart, and we're going to put it on the mailbox. So how we apply the nail mail to the heart is using transfer tape. Let me cut off a piece that matches the heart sizing. We don't want to waste our transfer tape. Okay, so we're going to apply our nail mail to the back of this. Use my weeding tool. I'll just put it in the middle of the transfer tape, and it has a little staticky to it, so it'll just like magnetically appear. There we go. We're going to use our scraping tool, and we're going to scrape the nail mail onto the transfer tape. Kind of like a sticker. You know those stickers you put on the car? So you might have to do both sides in order to get the vinyl to stick to the transfer tape. It ends up looking like this. So today we're going to layer. So we're going to put this on top of our nail mail heart. I'm going to try my best to line this up while videotaping. Okay, so we're going to apply now the heart and the nail mail to the transfer tape, and then that will end up on the little mailbox. Apply pressure to both sides. Ta-da! Nail mail. So the final step is to attach the nail mail sticker to the box. And again, I'm going to try to do this while videotaping and make it somewhat centered. I think it looks good right there. We'll use our scraper. And this is the magic. Ta-da! Perfect. And now we will fill the inside with a gift. Okay, so now that we have our nail mail and our box, we're going to fill it with the gift. And I have these adorable printable tags from my friend Tara over at Spotted Tea Designs. And I'll link the link to her shop in the description if you need it. So we have both Manny Thanks and You Nailed It and You Nailed It as a Friend. So today we're going to choose You Nailed It as a Friend. I think it'd be fun to pass these out as a Valentine's or a Galentine's gift, but I have actually used them for teacher appreciation and birthday gifts as well. You simply are going to cut out your printable. Set this aside. Trim a little bit more. Make it super cute. Printables are so easy for gifts. Okay, so what we're going to do is attach the printable to the front of these adorable nails. These are from Hello Cute Nails, the red Aspen nails, and that link is also in the description. So we'll add the tag using a cute burlap ribbon. You could use any color you want. I'm going with a little rustic theme. You'll tie a bow or a knot like so. Place your little tag underneath it. Isn't that adorable? Such a simple gift. And then you'll just add confetti in the box because confetti is so fun. You could add some chocolates or candies, stick your little nails in there, close it on up. Perfect to give out for Valentine's, Galentine's, or any day, actually. And there you have it. Thanks, friends, for sticking around and watching the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. And all the links to the products are in the description. Take care, friends. Thank you.